Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Waya Wabowie still coming around 11 a.m. here in the Republic of Ireland. Waya Wabowie o Mogwa yo titi. It's way. Compliment of the season. I greet you all. Greetings from the Republic of Ireland. So it's who I have FFO, we do can work in the Kate, we do no social media. Anyway, do you me hear it be? Ubiana, you know. Na la wo, I mean life now, ya tai. Ugben so iri na we asie kpo abezeja we asie abe ya asie gbon social media na ya ta na tabo egwi ojamu social media miami video human na tabo human we not time any few months ago who we ham we egbo we no be tight tenene and we miamiane kedo we no ni sa miamia good morning. I don't know ni sa mi no mi mani damio with social media bungbi. E mani damio ni ro tag bona ya fe can we my expect different countries ni damio mi nu weta obungbi. So we are the social media do am igwa no am misbehave we have we paleru wokpa or weje. Once you press a life in the world are listening to you. Now, they by any group, organization, a ministry, anything where you they by social media na Udomu igbina wanu munya hu, ugbina over months or years we agbina. However, yana sorry social media na. Utie bog ivie mave jamwe bog binya. Udon wan wera supporting. Uwe group ini. Umaso lajan one day. We yari ri o. Uma lajan do kami vi agbon we group na nu je na 419 no we magi onu whatever na we mi ani digbagbe oya we so lajan. Never ya igolo we mata no ya anya magui egbe to gele mi ne ma oya se no na gun lajan. O mai si na hiwo mata lajan. Wagi gui ne niya we ado ha mi vi agbon we 419 ya fiwa. That means we were not do lajan do ta na vezoro na me 419 we hin. You were part of it. Umienia. So we hear do hear me viagmo na where Iga omani nyare ogyon bare gino. And you know you be igbina no one over the years. And you never ati o man here. No you wem quick ya do opeva. Una ya quick koki. Una munya hu. Una muani hu. Una agbina ne. Una ri egbe ya jo. Una rudon wan ni. Una ridon wan ni an. Una mwegia. Una rudon wan ni. Una rovieran. Una rovira. una insulting ma no matter the word direct una sorting ya rudon mani ede yiri ede and you know you we agbina no money where or give a total do at your money the same thing we are and the same thing e ma ga at your money we are igbi na ni yen ba wo gi do akini e ma give we ha mu we na we uta no mo money or be mu we yan we ya me to when you we rubbish ni re oh you are part of it cause owe in one on one sorry agwera that when worry gbebe ministry ni uya mo work bo social media ira uwa ko wa gba uwa mind the way mind the way there is no when we hear when we do large social media we destroy money we ra that time we ra agbinana we dey by ministry or social media na ni ma wi ma ya say there is no way we have done that the social media who we are rubbish on one. We are a rubbish no Mr. Lawegbe. There is no way we hear Munidi and we hear Munuweria. There is no way we hear sorrow your man. No, erroneous, the same potopoto must enter your body. Umioe. Oya kata so we deny us yet. Oh, avedo ya said bon so. Some people with wisdom now, ma common. Ma understand. As far as you be a part and parcel of that platform, you cannot rubbish it. When you try to rubbish it, you are rubbishing yourself at the same time. You cannot minus yourself from it. And in where it's your man, you know who and in or giving way. I only okay can when the social media way out way. Because so takba why you know the same ministry where you castigate now. You understand? Why you want to lead to such bitterness that you cannot move on with your own life? That you cannot just go ahead and do your own thing and be happy with yourselves. Look at me, me go audio na be tin mai so ni ko wunya, e video ni ya be wunya, enu wanya and enya gi si yo. Enu we enya gi si lo yo, your name na you know, we gi ham ni ala wo, ni ade ni we. No, they cannot minus your name. They cannot. If you can just ignore that person who can't lele, well, okay, do what about will be about what no yale. Since when now you guys are no longer friends, stay clear from everything that got to do with her and do your own thing. Face your own life. Face your own. Don't have ministry work born where at here water and pepper. Create your own day and face it and be happy. It's just the way you did when I will like care. Message to Nene when you are messaging you. And near Tayita. Well, what's on where? I'll call you back. Where? What's on where? It's a stand where I group any. They decide what's on where before uncle. Before uncle. Any platform, anybody in my position, that but where any beg who were cookie. Who were just tell me, you know, I can ministry in the social media now. So what we here don't tell me we are what's in the ministry where the way again when ya well you also Jesus Christ we here and Lazarus we here who were healing pure for who were he clean we ma de banya o a record oh no oh una tie ministry ni oji why oji we here una tie ministry ni azen anything you really tie ministry ni ogina we oya wose no gba amubo no pagi laja no pawe no payage no pawe no payage before nko we here to the ha ma o si we yage we mage utakpa mu wifa utakpa o mu wifa umiania o se we lele here for 10 years or 20 years udo wo udo ha mi ma o se down o se down we be hi o se down wi umiania my sister there's one other sunu I remember I came out and spoke igwayo anyway my sister use wisdom when we when we are social media, so I don't by group, so you guys are trying to. I don't know who you guys are trying to impress. Think about your own self, and you where we are protect. You understand? A platform will so la do himi. And when you are here back, we will do that life. So be it. The man always go with them, go with them. Umionia. It may tell why they respect you know where for you to be able to restrain yourself. Now where are it actually for you. But see what you are doing now. Where you think you can who we are meeting your one year boloto. Everyone where be expecting a larger do you were boloto. Okay, na no gisu nanya or the we na who will give like any. What for? Who will give like na yana? Huh? This is all call for. No one may prevent while I will try and prevent it. And no again one may ignore. You can look past it and ignore it. Or mommy your would feel you better my sister. Over here do my tear my eye. Or mommy your ba no reach you better. Take whatever, move on with your own activities on social media. Do your own thing. See I do I castigate a while rubbish taking we can't the way you know don't or the more you do it, the more you are rubbishing yourself. The more we feel we money and your own money, you are destroying your own self. Umenia. Or maybe we are going anything to know the cool one Latin. Major John money, and whether it I only me here away. All on where tie you away. Because you were there. Umasola jan dokba. Or Tiezo Grone. Do have my way, dear Dicagbe Moritala. No, that is nonsense. Yela, forget this matter and move on with your own life. Or whatever you want to open and face your own life, my dear sister. Do your own thing. You understand when I am. I know a bolo kwawa. Mommy social media now going so I don't get here. You never ni boo with my yameti. Yameti take care. Yameti take care. Ubege. We no large ya gwa lo woro with Nigeria. But when I gwa lo we. I don't my yaje. Igo. When I loud duni. Una gwa. When I notice. Una gwa le ma so ri wo ga gbona. Information gwa lo ni ya view no. You understand? So you know go ma gwa lo ne gbo e. Ewe dan ave. Ruda e kama address agboya on. Name sisen gben so our 100 years is not forever. But 100 years in every so baba no wa be asunu. Enu wa ko wa repair instanta. What you know you don't wish yourself. Don't wish it for others. A tablet where we met him no all the gbo. E try no akwa ye ma be o. Adogu wa ya ni venya ye ma rovie. E monu wa bie. Wa ka rovie if ye wane. Waka post a picture of man why I believe you on social media. But woman like it, imagine you why would it be now? I get it you are. You guys are not enjoying. Well, you guys are not enjoying it anymore. You know, you guys just don't find it funny. I'm not funny, we all what? I'm not funny. And you know my way, in my way, my hair, sir, and matter. Wani wa mega ya bully you on social media out here boni vie ma social media. O ga wani mai ka do ki ni ogun a. We ga ho. O wa no ka do ki down in. Enu wa ya cover social media na. Wa ya roy. It's not too late to wa kere we mi down. It's not too late. Does it worth it dragging your parents away from their, from their place of residence? Noa silinyale le ya rien. Rudawe rudawe rude manu gbe ka social media ni edo agwali ya rien vedwa. Does it worth it? Does it whatever amount you are making by insulting people, does that worth it? Why must you humiliate yourself and your family name? Drag your family into nonsense. Stress them out unnecessarily. Does it worth it? That don't make you a tough person. If your power is on social media, you're powerless. And we are not follow you. How are you making from misbehaving, destroying yourself. That's what you are doing. You are destroying yourself. You are destroying yourself for crying out loud. Here, you insult to your parents, to your children, to your wife, to your husband. What the hell? You know? So it's not too late to stop all those nonsense. Una insult that from where? I do like the insult from where? Una why do insult where? I like the insult from where? Why insult where? Don't insult other people's children. That is it. That is just common sense. Why can't you people reason for crying out loud? That is it. You know? So what you don't want for yourself, don't give it to others. Because you guys have to be mindful. Social media now. So your panora here your video so right now now. Now video now we need sure by your bag of you know, these are what this person said that year. And this is what is going on now. Imagine people started playing that video again. Am I making a video nije? But you got a video now again. You know? Is that okay? There's no need. There's no need. Let us not start firing things up. You understand? I know, because the social media, everything is stalled forever. No, don't wait because you want to monetize your. There are things you can do. A topic is sort of where I'm muladian. Very the people will find it interesting. Yaki who are irresponsible. Yeah, they are cutting here. Comment they will use their real account to comment because and not banner. You are not rubbishing anybody. Ma one we rubbishing you or like platform me not to be comment anyone or do we making our rubbish on one other committee. What you're saying is just spot on, and people responsible people you know, there are some terrible people on social media that have instigate problem that just want that problem. They are happy. They want to see that problem continue. It can evil ye can ezo yanamia. I want me to large do ham. And you are saying in a ham or saying yeah, very die la home. Nonsense. I mean, but no queen no large you don't know they educative or informative. It's all about yeah Latian, yeah do yeah boy ya brag. Who send you send your juju? Who send you send your juju? And it can chaos. That is where you see the no peaceful. Those are people you keep your distance from them. Those are people that always instigate problem, that will pump you up inside. You come on social media, start misbehaving. Don't let people push you into anything. Nothing. I don't baragona no here ba be ko e. Una tota uke tenit uke wenit una kakabo we. If your mind kick against it, forget it. Don't let anybody push you into it. Don't let anyone push you into it. So what I'm going to say lastly. Mamie a life in Nigeria. Although well, mammy, if somebody confide in you, there is a point in our life we need a shoulder to cry on. There is a point in everybody's lives. I don't baron or kuta my dear. Forget that thing. There is a point in our lives we need a shoulder to cry on. You will be that person sometime. Neho will have a mood here in confidence. You pour your heart out to that person. Mania, ugelewa open up. If you know, I mean, it can be your marital issue. It can be family issue. It can be money or jobs. It can be, you know, Different things no was soon in life we at that time. Unu don't want to Google. You must choose one person. Where social media no watch you now. My sister, my brother, give me pass through. Ugelewa, you pour your heart. Uwa pour ya. Omo ni ga dami we where I feel where omagun we go. No name where one need record you. You know that person is recording you. That person is waiting. Ohe denederio. Ni efi we ezo mostore. Ni edo ya kama woman at a time. Woman at a time. You know? That is it. You know, it won't you very young you may not buy. That is evil. That is evil. If people want to not trust to work, or that tie work in confidence. In confidence. O mami, o want to not go work one. What you not do work be over social? What do you no season yanya? Emi agbon. The person say you can't do that platform. The person say you not can't do that platform. He say you can't comment for that. He say you not can't comment for that. What the hell? Emi agbon season. Adupo mi emi agbon te se ni nezo. We not tired. When I see another good one, no do mo make bear money. When I am not responsible. Government si go okay, won salo po go okay. When I get okay, no do go no one misbehave. Alright, okay. Only I beg where that person is expecting me to come out. Come on here, okay, go me guane. Or tell me bear my money. Ehi gbin ezi one we egbe ora laja wa wedota. Or laja wa ho iya wedota. Mema ehi den win go. You will be surprised. One year to bella of social media. That person will shower you with respect. He or she will shower you with praises. But so rata me no yata. But want it to boy want it to boy with dota. Oh well, there was a time called this woman. I told her about what I was passing through. When we get this small quanta, I said she will come out. Come use and they do topic. But she never did such thing. Now make me respect her till tomorrow. Oma say that will make a even young they hold you in a very high esteem. They will honor you. They will respect you for that. That will make other people, that will make other people want to come closer to you. For that singular heart. No behaving. Why garu de social media now do have more integrity or him afwa? With the social media, man, not have confidence in him. They will start losing it. Not have respect in him, they will start losing it. And we not buy. I wanna see wait and make bear my way. No. My way, if you're baron, no sooner there is no tangible thing. No, how many TV come on to any private where my brother or my sister, no. Let's forget about it. Let's forget about it. Because you know. So what the hell? What is all this? Emi ya we saga with social media. Emi ya we saga. Ya things na Paulo say you overlook these things. Emi no buy, you know, no can respect or not put away that you know in a level no high very only. No call you outside live video wa going private. What tell no kind family sensitive issues. You know say no say so what get do so. Then you are that swing other even swing na nya why is it ton no do here no what. O do here when I do upload you. People should stop it. Wala wo. Any ya wa ya wo so. You know say no say so what get say so. It's uncalled for. You understand? All will not keep it that kind of confidence in man in any man. You know, Maya. Anybody know it wait and make bear my winning. Oh, one not your woman. Oh, Muji Wegbe. Oh, one Muji Wegbe. Because it's very rare. So, on what Emma so don't know Adam one. Oh, my team, I win respect. Ya move ya de Ireland. Ya man, na come na no like Google. No ya go have state agents no agent no mo one. Cause I ma run na why okay a damn na ere a damn ya won no call you in a very sober stage. That person is broken. Look for somebody to talk to. On a poor heart okay. On a poor heart to you. Come on, please. This is not nice. I knew it. This is bad. This is terrible. And then me yama ya why was so you no man say no says all. No mind they say at all. No mind they say. Ah, what we do now? You want when we social media na emi o. Emi. Ya we ti mani ball match Esther ni avio ni social media ya boy. There is a way they a way wa ro ni Esther wa mi go ni. O wa bi are. Anyway, o wa be clear. You will not have enemies. Unnecessary enemy wo who create an egg, but like social media do you sort man, you sort of be I sort of I sort of your man. You will earn your money on a very clean slate. It can be done. I'm you any have you done some why I say why I sell but more go see your return. The licky bar or what I do ya. Irish Irish First Lady ma when your page in land where you like and wa follow him o ya so you na gbo ama wa gbe o so lo ba no mo ko ezo hiare ni ma ya fefe na la wo enu ege a we don obi o we ono se ni ke picture got ma ni are la ja ni ma ni mo bo we kini o kam ya most to la yang be because that is the highest sin ni ma have commit to social media na ma understand so wa ya wa we se wala wo you know, my son, and I always saga, why I always saga. So that was Agbon, you, I me a carbon. You guys have a blessed day.